Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll be showing you how we can deactivate or delete Instagram account. Let's get started. Here I have my Instagram opened and we're going to click on this profile button. Then just click on this button on the top right corner of your screen. Then you're going to select settings and privacy and click on accounts center right here. And after that, you can tap on personal details. Then you're going to click on accounts and ownership and control. And since we want to deactivate or delete the account, we can click on this option. So just tap on it, and this is the Instagram account that we are going to deactivate or delete. So just tap on it, and you can choose either you want to deactivate or delete the account. So just choose it as you want, and after that we can click on continue right here. Alright guys, and that's how we can deactivate or delete Instagram account. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.